Here's how to customize your AirPods sound profile for music, TV shows, movies, and phone calls using the new EQ settings. To use this feature, your iPhone must be running iOS 27 and your AirPods must be updated to firmware version 9A304B at the time of recording this video. Keep in mind that both the iPhone software and AirPods firmware are currently in beta. First, connect your AirPods to your iPhone. Next, open Settings, tap Bluetooth, and then tap the Info button next to your AirPods. Under the Audio and Routing section, find the Equalizer settings in the Audio menu. To personalize the sound, select the Custom option and adjust the EQ settings to your preference. While making changes, you can play music, watch a movie in the Apple TV app, or use streaming apps like Netflix or YouTube to hear the differences in real time. As you fine-tune the EQ, you'll notice a richer and more immersive sound experience. I was genuinely impressed. It creates a theater-like audio experience, especially when watching movies and TV shows. That's pretty amazing. I think you're going to love this new AirPods feature. You can try it now by installing the latest beta software or wait for the public release of iOS 27 or a more stable beta version. That's it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Please like and subscribe for more AirPods tips and updates.